Welcome, today I'm showing how to hide photos in your gallery in your OPPO A57s. First of all, open your Photos application, this one, not this. It's a standard application on this phone, Photos, go into. And here got our photos, so need to press and hold to select, for example this 4. And on the bottom we got Set as Private button. Tap it. And we got a message, set a privacy password first. So go to set password. Now need to create some security password, what you wanna. And for example, I use this one. Now tap use. And for verifying, need to enter this password again. Now need set up our security questions. I select something, for example, and tap OK to save. Here we got our tips, got it, and go back and let's try again. Press and hold to select, and on the bottom tap set as private button. We got message successfully, touch and hold to the tab bar on the bottom of the screen in Photos to view private photos. Tap OK. Here we got this bar and press tap and hold, and need to enter our security password. And here we got our hide photos. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.